Well, hi everyone. My name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. I'm back. Welcome to another Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals are hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and I believe now Debbie Bubbles. So I'm chiming in. I'm trying to get back in the groove, guys. So today is Thursday, October the 17th. It's my daughter's birthday. You guys have got to check out her channel. I'll see if I can put a clip at the top. It's A Girl A Squad. And so she has some nice family kid channel videos. So today, we're still unpacking and the continuing saga of unpacking and getting settled. So I'm trying to make something actually very quick and easy. So today I'm making baked chicken, potatoes, and string beans, and I'm going to do old school style. The string beans and the potatoes are all going to be in one pot. Really easy, simple. So I'm going to take you off camera, and I'm going to let you see how I made, what I seasoned up my baked chicken with. And so guys, you have to stop by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Debbie Bubbles, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Stop by their channels and check out what they have to offer. They have a lot of great cooking videos, styling videos, home decor videos, DIY videos. You won't want to miss out on that. So I'm going to see if I can get this posted for you guys. So like I said, today is Thursday, so I should be able to have this up by Sunday. So, but I'm just, I still have my son is here with us, and his two kids are here tonight. So I'm making, like I said, chicken, string beans or green beans, and potatoes. So I'm gonna take you off the camera and I'm gonna let you see what I did, okay? So keep watching. Okay guys, one more thing I wanted to say to you, let you know, is that Quick and Easy Meals are hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so for us here in Texas, we're an hour behind, so I'm gonna have to remember that when I post videos, I have to get used to that. So, tune in, check us out. So for Quick and Easy Meals, you can make anything from a smoothie, breakfast, lunch, dessert. You could do takeout, anything, you could dine out. If you want to post anything, come on and join us on Quick and Easy Meals. So I'm going to turn the camera around now, like I said before, and I'm going to show you what I have here from my baked chicken, okay? Keep watching. All right, guys, so these are the ingredients that I used to season my chicken with. And so you see it's all seasoned up. I put some dots of blue bonnet on it. I have some onion, I sliced that up, a little bit of bell pepper, and I'm using red potatoes. I keep the skin on. So let me show you what I'm doing. So I'm boiling my potatoes first because I am going to put green beans in them, and the potatoes take longer. Now typically, if I'm making fresh green beans, I put the green beans in first and I put the potatoes on top. But this time I'm using canned beans, and let me just show you what I'm using. Keep watching. So this is what I am using for green beans today. Now typically, like I said, I use fresh green beans, but because we are working to find things and still kind of get things all arranged here, I have to take the easy way out. I'll save the fresh veggies and everything for the holidays. But right now I have to be easy on myself, which I said this is quick and easy. So this is what I'm fixing. And another reason why I'm fixing this is because we can have leftovers, because that's the trick for quick and easy. You want to make a meal so that you're not in the kitchen every day. This is healthy. It's healthier to me than eating out, and it's quick and it's easy. I have my oven on Have my oven on 350. So, you know, this should work, okay? This should work quick and easy. So I'm gonna pop these green peppers, these bell peppers, on top of the chicken, and I'm gonna put some aluminum foil over it, and then toward the end I will take the foil off and let it brown a little bit, okay? Keep watching. All right, guys, so I have put the green beans down underneath of the potatoes, and I am going to add some chicken broth to elevate the flavor. And I was looking for some better than bouillon, but I don't have any yet. So I typically get that for the holiday season. Usually I have some all the time, but in the process of this move, I don't have it. So I'm gonna add this this chicken broth and season it up a little more myself. I'm gonna see what it tastes like, because they said that they season them, and the name of it is Allen's and Glory green beans. I just kind of mixed it a little bit to see what it's like. And so I'm gonna add this, and this is enough to give us some leftovers, so keep watching. All right, guys, so I added Italian seasoning, black pepper, salt, and a little bit of blue bonnet. It's down there. And to be quite frank with you guys, I don't like a lot of spiciness. You know, I don't want it to be bland. I just want it to be nicely seasoned, not too spicy. And I watched some TikTok videos about a lot of the spices that they put in foods. Some of it is a bit much, I think, because a lot of those different spices contain a lot of salt. So I don't need all of that. And like I said, you know, I have my 2-year-old and 9-year-old grandsons here, so kids don't need too much spice. You just need it nicely seasoned, not too much. And so I put some in, and then really what I like, you know, what people should do is kind of add salt and pepper to their own taste. But I don't think that you need to spice it up too much, okay? Just seasoned, you know, so that it's pleasing to the palate. Okay, so I'm gonna pop the top on this. I have my, you know, gas simmering. What is this on? This is on 4. And so, you know, I can go ahead and do some other things while these things are cooking and baking. Okay, keep watching. Okay, guys, here's the reveal. Such a quick and easy meal. Bon appetit. Until the next one. Bye-bye.